Hello everyone, we have some important updates regarding the CT600 form that you need to be aware of. So if we go to Documents, and then under CT600, a new version of the CT600 form has been released, which includes additional boxes to accommodate the recent changes in reporting requirements. So as you can see here, this is version 3 2025. Another thing to note is the box for update, a new option has been added. So if we go to tax return, about this return, box 4 now includes an 11th option specifically for non-UK resident companies. This aligns with the CT600 guidance and applies to companies subject to the 25% main tax rate. Regarding the Enhanced R&D Intensive Support Scheme, if we go to Other CT600 Forms, CT Other Adjustments, for companies claiming the Enhanced R&D Intensive Support Scheme, it is now mandatory to check box 653 on the CT600 return. And that would be this box here. Ensure this is selected to successfully claim the release. Regarding the CT600P, there's been a delay in the release. So HMRC has delayed the release of the form. As a result, certain creative tax relief related boxes are not fully functional at this time. Further changes will be communicated as they arrive. Thank you.